How to host a watch party on Facebook. So if you want to host a watch party on Facebook, then first make sure that you have a stable internet connection. After that, search for Facebook and go with login. Go with www.facebook.com and make sure that you've logged into your account. Now you can go with the left side and then go with see more. And here you will have your pages. So you just need simply go with pages and here just go and switch to a page. Once you're on your page, here on the right side you will have switch now. Go with switch. And after switching to your page, you need to go with what's on your mind. And here, for example, I'll go with watch party. And here on the right side you will have the three dots. And here you will have an option to host a watch party on your Facebook. But unfortunately, from 2022, we don't have that option of watch party on Facebook because Facebook has removed that option. So unfortunately, we don't have that option. And that's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.